Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel and today is Sunday, so today magluluto tayo uli ngayon. So I'm going to cook one of my favorite Filipino dish. This is dishish. This is kare-kare. This is my own version of kare-kare and I will share it with you guys kung paano ko siya lutuin. You can also try it at home kung gusto nyo, and all the recipe and the method I will just put all in the description box down below, or description box below. So from the scratch, I'm going to cook kare-kare. So yeah, these are the ingredients. Garlic, red onions, achuete oil or achiote oil, peanut butter, peanuts, pork stock. So for our vegetable, we have pak-choy or pechay, eggplant, string beans, and of course, kare-kare is not kare-kare without shrimp paste or bagoong. So yeah guys, that's all our ingredients for our kare-kare. And para din sa pork natin, na pakuluan ko na siya last night before ako mag-start magluto ngayon, para nakapag-rest na siya and medyo nag-dry na siya para hindi siya sobrang matalsik sa mantika kapag pinirito mo, which is kanina nagpiprito ako nung nag-intro ako. So ngayon, I'm already done frying the pork, if you can see that. Malutong siya, di ba? So yan, para mas mapadali yung buhay natin, pinirito ko na siya para mabilis tayo ngayon. So for our vegetable, I already fry this talong and na-blanch ko na yung pechay and sitaw or string beans. Mas maganda siyang niluluto separately kasi para hindi agad mapanis yung kare-kare nyo. So, ang ginagawa ko is separate ko niluluto talaga yung sauce. Pero pwede nyo naman siyang ilagay kung wala kayong masyadong time at tinatamad kayo, pwede nyo siyang ilagay agad-agad and maluto na siya dun sa pinaka-sauce. So, right now, dahil nagawa ko na yung pinakamahirap gawin, which is yung pagpiprito ng pork and itong vegetable, gagawa na tayo ng sauce. Let's go. Okay, so let's start with the onions. And garlic. And next, achuete oil. You can also use the achuete seed if you have one. Pag achuete oil kasi, kumukulay na siya agad dun sa niluluto mo. Next, we're going to put the beef stock. So ito yung pinagpakuluan nung pork na pinirito ko kanina. So yan, pakukuluan nyo lang siya. So nakikita nyo medyo matubig pa siya, pero pag nilagay na natin yung peanut butter, magtitiken na siya. Lagay na natin yung peanut butter. So yung iba, kapag nagluluto sila ng sauce, nilalagyan na nila ng bagoong para mag-add ng additional flavor doon sa sauce. Pero dahil hindi lang ako ang kakain ito at hindi siya masyadong kumakain ng bagoong or shrimp paste, so hindi ko siya nilagyan or hinaluan ng bagoong. So hintayin pa natin siya for like maybe 5 to 10 minutes hanggang ma-achieve na natin yung thickness ng sauce. So there you go guys, this is my own version of kare-kare, diba? Nakakasosyal, pang mayaman ng plating. So, syempre kailangan natin tikman. Feeling ko masarap ito. Pang mayaman eh. Narinig niyo ba yung crunchiness ng pork? Some sauce, veggies, talong, and some of the pak-choy. Ayan. Tagal. So yan, try natin. Sarap. Red wine. Kung mayaman, may red wine. So guys, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Sana magawa niyo siya at home. And kapag nagawa nyo, don't forget to tag me on my Facebook, Instagram, or here in YouTube. Kapag nagawa nyo siya, sobrang sarap, promise. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. And if you guys haven't subscribed on my channel yet, please don't forget to subscribe, please. And sa lahat ng mga nag-subscribe na, thank you so much for subscribing on my channel. And let's be friends on Facebook, Instagram. And yeah, all the ingredients and recipe on how I cook this kare-kare, there's an English version down in the description box. And see you guys on my next video. Enjoy the rest of the week. Hey guys, God bless you all. Bye.